Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make very easy and super yummy potato hash brown. So let's get started. To make this, first we need potatoes. Here I use 2 large potatoes. Wash the potatoes and then peel it. Peeling is done. Now time to boil the potatoes. Potatoes are boiled completely. Now transfer them on a larger bowl. Now time to mash the potatoes. If you are new here, welcome. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I post new videos every week. Potatoes are mashed completely. Now time to add maida or all-purpose flour. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of maida. Then add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now I am going to sprinkle some freshly ground black pepper. Add green chili. You can also add some chopped coriander leaves if you like. Now time to mix all these ingredients and then make a dough of potato mixture. Our dough is ready. Now rub some oil on your palm. Now take out a little portion from the dough and give it hash brown shape. Now on a plate sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour so that the dough doesn't stick to the plate. Likewise, I make all these. The thickness should be like this. Now time to fry them. So turn on the gas and place a pan over the gas. Then add generous amount of refined oil. Oil is heated. Now time to add hash browns one by one. Fry them well and then flip them. Fry them well from the both sides until they become slightly golden brown in color. Fry them on medium heat. Our super crispy, yummy and very easy potato hash browns are ready to serve now. Serve it with tomato ketchup and salad. Now I'm going to taste it. It looks so yummy. You can hear the sound how crisp it is, and it's so yummy. So I'm going to finish this all. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.